Unraveling Wrapped Up In, a guide to understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the English language and explore the meaning of the phrase, wrapped up in. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video will help you understand and use this common expression with confidence. So, let's get started. Wrapped up in is an idiomatic phrase in English, which means being fully engrossed or deeply involved in something. It can refer to being absorbed in activities, thoughts, emotions, or even physical items. Imagine being so involved in a book that you don't notice the time passing. That's being wrapped up in it. To better understand wrapped up in, let's see it in action. 1. Involvement in activities. She was so wrapped up in her painting that she didn't hear me enter the room. 2. Engrossed in thoughts. He's been wrapped up in his thoughts all day, wondering about his future. 3. Emotional involvement. They were wrapped up in each other, oblivious to the world around them. It's important not to confuse wrapped up in with literal wrapping, like wrapping a gift. This phrase is metaphorical, describing a state of mind or involvement, not a physical action. When using wrapped up in, remember, it's usually followed by a noun or gerund, verb plus ing. It's great for describing deep concentration or absorption. It's informal and best used in casual or conversational contexts. That's a wrap on Wrapped Up In. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.